Gonna go up Indian Truck Trail. So, Hunter's on it. He has to do some, has to do a couple of runs this week, so we decided to do one of them as a long hike. And basically, we're gonna put this in. We're just gonna go up the saddle. Anyway, I used to do this basically once a week to the saddle, where you could see Orange County and the coast. And I used to run it as much as possible. So, still it's pretty warm today, actually. That's Mount Baldy. The little peak on the left is Baldy. The peak on the right is Rancho Cucamonga Peak, which to me is probably the most scenic view. Hunter's all gone up to the tree before.
The tree.
Hey, I picked him up after school one day and took him to the tree. I think the tree is, I think we calculated it was 7.5 miles there and back. So, the famous tree, Eagle Tree. Oh man, the fire got it, man. Used to be proud live tree. And that fire got it. What year was that, Hunter? The fire got it?
2016.
Huh? Ooh. Starting to switch backs on the fire. Soon. Kind of around the corner.
Almost there. Oh.
Just to the lip. Trying to build up them legs. The saddle is almost here. I used to stash water up here off to the right of this gate because I used to go all the way on the other side, drop down to Orange County, get to the bottom of the hill there's some cabins, and I would run right back up to Santiago Peak and come back down. There's a spring down there on the way too, and then there's a creek at the bottom down there. I'd fill up there too. Bring enough food, all supported.
There's the ocean.
Yeah, see it? That's it. The thing is, that's the ocean. Whoa, whoa. We made it to the top.
Now we have, let's see here.
That's it. We made it. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm tired, but I'm glad I did it.
All right. Yeah. On the way down.
Back down to smoggy Southern California.
What do you have to say about yourself right now, Hunter? Your legs, how you feeling?
Starting to feel like Disneyland.
Whatever. Hunter, guess what? It's almost there. What? I'm gonna tell you. Guess what's happening right now? You just did it! 12 miles right there. How's it feel to beat your old record? Some miles are easier than others. But 15 hours on Agassiz with all elevation. Definitely a harder day. Nice. Woo woo. Legs are fired up now. He took off in front of me, and I'm running pretty slow.